Well, gentlemen, I'm sure you all listened to the judgments, the 5 judgments that were delivered today in respect of the Edo State gubernatorial primary election. 4 of them were appeals against the judgment of the Federal High Court that asked that Kevin Mohammed and his group should be allowed to participate as delegates in that primary election that took place on the 22nd of February 2024. The Court of Appeal has reiterated the evergreen position of the law that a delegate has no right of action in respect of the primary election of his party. That is the summary of those 4 judgments. 2 of the appeals were by the PDP and 2 by the National Secretary of PDP. So that put paid to that particular judgment from the Federal High Court. The 5th judgment is the appeal filed by one of the aspirants, Anselm Ojezwa, where he complained about the judgment of the Federal High Court that dismissed his action against the primary of Dr. Asue Ighodalo as the lawful and authentic PDP candidate in Edo State. The Court of Appeal this afternoon affirmed the decision of the trial Federal High Court to the effect that yes, he was an aspirant, but that he did not exhaust the internal mechanisms for dispute resolution of his party before rushing to court. And so the case was adjudged to be premature. That position was affirmed by the Court of Appeal this afternoon. And so the 5 cases, the 5 appeals that emanated from Edo State gubernatorial primary, all the 5 appeals were resolved in favor of Dr. Asue Ighodalo. Thank you very much.